Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to bold text on Facebook. Somehow, Facebook doesn't allow users to make text bold within the app. But don't worry. Fortunately, there's a web page where you can do it quite easily. So let's not waste any more time and dive right in. First of all, let's open up our Facebook app, and then I'll simply make a post. And I'm just going to type, "Be proud of who you are, what other people think doesn't matter." So what if I really want to make the entire thing bold? Simply copy your words, and then go to yatext.com in your browser. When you're there, scroll to the bottom until you see bold. You could also do a lot of things with this website, but now we'll only focus on bold. And after that, scroll down till you see your text box, and this is where you'll want to paste your text. So all you want to do now is simply hit copy, and then go back to Facebook, clear out what you already have here, and then paste that over here, and there you have it. You've succeeded in getting a bold post. That website actually works with Facebook's bio and also with the Messenger application. So you can add text to them too. So I hope this video was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day.